Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, here, the Brahma Bandhu, Ashwatthama was born of a Brahmana, Dronacharya. But he killed the 5 sons of Draupadi most abominably when they were sleeping. So what to speak of Brahmana, he is less than a Ksatriya even, because a Ksatriya also do not kill anybody while one is sleeping. A Ksatriya challenges, offers him weapon, fights, and then one of them is killed. That is, here it is Brahmavas, Atutaina, aggression. Anyone who kidnaps one's wife is called aggressor. One who sets fire in your house, he is aggressor. One who is coming to kill you with weapon, he is aggressor. In this way, there is a list of aggression. So, aggressor can be killed immediately. If somebody is aggressor, there is no sin in killing aggression. The enemy who sets fire to the house, administers poison, attacks all of a sudden with deadly weapon, plunders wealth, or usurps agricultural fields, or entices one's wife, is called an aggression. Everything, this is Vedic knowledge, everything has got definition. So, this Ashwatthama was an aggression. Therefore, Arjuna decided to kill him. Although he is born of a Brahmin family, naturally a person born in a Brahmin family is expected to become a Brahmin by qualification. That was the training. The brahmachari, generally the sons of Brahmana and Kshatriyas, especially these two sects, up to Vajšij, they were trained as brahmacharis. Shudras were not interested. The door is open for everyone, but the lower class, except Brahmana or Kshatriya, they are not interested to become brahmacharis, or their parents are not interested. Just like we are going to open this brahmachari school or ashram, but I am doubtful whether we get many children, because in this age people are interested to become Shudra. Nobody is interested to become Brahman. Technology means Shudra. Technology is not the business of a Brahman or Kshatriya or Vajšij. No. Just like blacksmith, goldsmith, carpenter, craftsman, these are technology. They are meant for the Shudras. Brahmanas, they are to be trained up how to become truthful, how to become controller of the senses, how to become simple, how to become tolerant, in this way. Kshatriya, how to become strong, stout, brave, no going away when there is challenge, not to go away from fighting, to possess land to rule over, Ishvara Bhavancha, and charity. These are the Kshatriya qualifications. Charity was given by the Kshatriyas. Even there are instances that Mohammedan rulers in this country, they also gave in charity land and temple in Vrindavan. There are many instances. Aurangzeb gave some land, Jahangir gave some land. There is still one temple. It was constructed by Jahangir, and the other side of the Jamuna, there is a village called Jahangirpura. That village was given to the Brahmanas for maintaining the temple. So, charity, that is Kshatriya's business, and perform yajnas, giving charity, and to rule, not to go away from fighting, challenge, very strong, stout. These are Kshatriya qualifications. And the Vajšij qualification, agriculture, Krishi, Goraksha, and cow protection. Krishi, Goraksha, Vanijam. And if there is excess, then Vanijam, trade. Otherwise there is no question of trade. And Vajšij and Sudra, Purichadhyatmaka, to work for some payment. That is, this black is made, gold is made, the weaver. You take some work from him and pay him something, maintain him. That is Sudra. So, in this Shastra it is said, Kalau Sudra Sambhava. In the Kali Yuga, almost everyone is a Sudra. You will find they are interested in accepting some service. Even one is born of a Brahmin family, he is looking after some good job. That is Sudra mentality. That is not Brahmana's business. Brahmana will not accept anyone's service. Neither the Kshatriyas, neither the Vaishyas, only Sudras.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare